Hey guys, today we'll be working on a 2010 Ford Fusion with a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine. Let's get straight into it. First thing you want to do is jack up the car or put the car on ramps. Next, go ahead and pop the hood and locate where you will be putting in your oil. On the cap, it does read what kind of oil that the vehicle does require, so make sure you have the right oil along with the right oil filter. Next, crawl underneath the car and locate the oil drain plug. Now, some Ford Fusions do have a splash field underneath the vehicle. However, the one I'm working on has seen better days, so there is not one present on this vehicle. But if you have a splash shield, go ahead and remove that. After you remove your oil drain plug, go ahead and remove your filter. I always like to catch the filter with a bag, that way all the oil from the filter goes in the bag and it just creates less of a mess afterwards. After all the oil has drained out from the vehicle, go ahead and put that drain plug back in. Make sure to not tighten it too tight. Just a couple hand tighten turns will do it good. The Ford Fusion I'm working on called for a little over 5 quarts. It was like 5.3 quarts worth of oil. So go ahead and top it off with 5 quarts and then see where you're at after that by checking the oil level on the dipstick. Hopefully this video helped you. If you like these kinds of videos, check out DNA Drives for more videos just like this. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and check out the other videos we have on the channel with all of our cool cars. Thanks a lot. Take care. We'll see you in the next one.